my love, for today's video I'm gonna be reviewing the foundation by Milani, and this is the cream foundation. This is what it looks like overall. I love the packaging, the shade not so well, you'll see on the video, but I hope you enjoy, and let's get started so you can hear my honest review on this foundation. Today I have a really exciting video for you guys, and I'm going to be reviewing the Milani foundation. This is the Milani cream to powder foundation. I have heard great and bad reviews about this foundation, so I had to test it out for you guys to give you my honest opinion on this foundation. So let's start by mentioning that it does come in 22 shades, and also it retails for $10.99. So the shade that I got is the 230, the light beige. This is the only shade that they had left, so I hope it matches me. It's been really hard to find this foundation, to be honest, but this is what the shade looks like. It looks pretty close to my skin. I really hope it works. And for today's review, I want to use all the products that I use every single day that I know that they work perfect for my skin. My skin is combo, meaning it is oily and dry. So all the center on my face is oily and the rest of my face is dry. I do want to mention that I did prime my face already, and like always I use my facial mist, the cucumber one. Did spray this all over my face. And then for primer today, I did use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. You guys know I love this primer, so I do use it every day, so I had to use it for this foundation to give it a fair shot. Okay, and I'm gonna be applying this Milani foundation with my favorite brush that I use every single day, and this is what it looks like. I did wash it to give it a fair shot to this foundation, so I'm just gonna start by applying it with my brush, and I hope the color matches me. Okay, so far it looks like it's gonna match me. Maybe it's a little bit light, but hopefully I can work with it. So this foundation, it does says that it can be light coverage, or you can build it up all the way to full coverage, which you guys know that I love full coverage. So this is what the foundation is looking so far. It is, I want to say it is pretty light for my skin tone, but hopefully I can blend it all the way down to my neck. So far it feels really light on my skin. I do want to mention that it's scent free. It doesn't smell like anything. Okay, my love, so this is only one layer of this Milani foundation. I do want to say that it feels really light on the skin. Let's just ignore the fact that the color does not match my skin. But it does feel really light on the skin. I like it so far. It feels like I have nothing on my skin. I'm not even exaggerating. Anyways, this is only one layer, so let's see if we can build it up like it says on the details that you can build it up to a full coverage. Let's see if that's true. So taking again the same brush, I'm just gonna pat it a little bit and add it on this side. See if we can build up this foundation. Okay, my love, so this is the second layer on my half of my face. This is what it looks like with the second layer. Let me get close and personal. But this is what this side looks like, and this is the other side with the one coat of foundation. Okay, my love, and this is how it looks with the second layer of foundation. It does look really good. This means that it's true. You can build up the coverage. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, my love, I'm back, and this is how my makeup looks all done. I really think I saved this foundation. At first it looked crazy on my skin. I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? I was gonna stop filming, but I think I saved this foundation. It looks really good. It still feels like I have nothing on my skin. This is what it looks like, close and personal. we're gonna see how this foundation does through the day. I'm gonna go to work today, so after work I will do a little update on this foundation, so I can't wait for that. I do want to mention that I did apply the LA Colors pressed powder. This is a powder that I use every day, so like you can notice it's on the dark side, so I feel like it saved my foundation. And then I did bronze my skin with a little bit of Wet n Wild bronzer. This is a new shade that I got in my collection and I'm obsessed with it. And if you're interested in what I'm wearing on my lips, it's by Sephora and this is in the shade 23. I'm obsessed with this shade. It just looks stunning. Anyways, I have to go to work, but I will do an update on this foundation for you guys. Okay, my loves, I'm just here checking in with you guys. It's been about 8 hours since I applied this foundation, and let me tell you, I'm just amazed of how it looks. It looks really, really good. It still looks perfect. It looks like I even have the right shade for some reason. I'm in my car, so it's not the best lighting, but I mean, it looks really, really good for being that many hours on already. I did get greasy on my forehead, of course, on my T-zone, but that's normal. It happens with every foundation. But so far, I think it looks good. Anyways, this is how it looks, and let's just talk about the lipstick. I mean, it's still on my lips. It still looks good. All I had was a water today, and my lips still look amazing. Anyways, I recommend that lipstick 100% from Sephora, number 23. Anyways, my love, you guys have a nice day. I love you. Okay, my love, I hope you enjoy this honest review on the Milani cream foundation. I think overall I really like it. The question is, do you need it on your life? I would say that there's better foundations out there for oily and combination skin, but if you want to try it, you should. You won't regret trying it. I think I like it. I think I saved the foundation at the very end, so I'm really excited for that. Would I wear it again? Probably, if I find the right shade. But I do want to mention that it does feel really nice on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy or too much product on my face. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I will be posting every Thursday, so make sure you turn on the bell. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.